Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, and in math we have been talking about shapes. We've been reviewing them. It means we go back and remember things that we've already learned. And so today we're going to talk about 3D shapes or solid shapes. We talked about this right before Christmas, so I'm going to play a song that I know you all know to remind us what the 3D shapes are.
I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A soda can, a pencil shaped in a can of soup would be examples of a cylinder, as you can plainly see. A marker, a glass of milk, and a peanut butter jar are all examples of a cylinder. Yes, I'm sure they are. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. My little dice, a sugar cube, and blocks that I use are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Screen cone, a pencil tip, and a megaphone are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. A birthday hat, a traffic cone, or a funnel in my home are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A paperweight, Egyptian pyramids, and some tents would be examples of a pyramid, as you can plainly see. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
I hope you liked that song, and I hope it reminded you about our 3D shapes. And so today we're going to do some sorting. I need you to take the paper that I've given you that looks like this, and then you should have another paper that has your shapes on it. I've already cut mine out, and you should have two sets. So I have 4 pieces right here and another 4 pieces over here. So if you did not cut these out yet, go ahead and pause the video and cut them out. And then when you're ready to sort them with me, start the video back up again. All right, so I'm gonna look, and it looks like the first thing we see on our paper here is it says, cut one set of solid shapes. Sort the 4 solid shapes, paste onto the chart. So we're gonna look at shapes, these 3D shapes that have corners, and put them here, and the 3D shapes that do not have corners, and we'll put those there. So I will do that with you. We're just gonna go one at a time. This is our first shape. What do you think it is? It's a cone, yeah. So I want you to look, is there a corner, or more than one corner, on the cone? Yes. There's a corner. It is where the 2 points meet. There's one sharp corner there. So we're going to put that on the side that does have corners. And a second here. And next we have a cylinder. So I want you to look at the cylinder. How many corners do you see there? No corners. Nope, that one does not have any corners. You see the round, smooth surface, but the points never come together and meet to make a corner or vertices. So no corners here. What about our cube? What about our cube? Yeah, there are lots of corners on a cube. Yep, so that does have a corner. And our sphere. Do spheres have corners? No, spheres are like balls or the sun, no corners, no. So I need you to take your glue stick and you're gonna glue those down. And then I will make sure that your paper looks like mine. Let's see. So we have 2 shapes going on. The side that has corners, you can see the cone has a corner up here at the top. The cube has many corners. And on the other side, these shapes do not have corners. They do not have corners. Now the bottom part says, cut the other set of shapes and make a rule for your sort. Paste them in this grid. So you can sort them any way you want. I'm going to sort mine by shapes that can roll and shapes that stack. You don't have to be the same as me, but this is just what I'm choosing to do. So I'm going to start again with my cone. Can I stack my cone? No, the cone can go on the top of something, but you can't stack something on that tip. So it doesn't stack every time. So no, you cannot stack. You cannot stack a cone. What about the cylinder? Can you stack on top of a cylinder if you were playing with blocks? Could you put something on it? Yes, you couldn't put it on the rolly side. That would roll away, but you could stack something on top because there are 2 flat sides. So yes, you can stack a cylinder. Can you stack a cube? Yeah, most blocks are in the shape of a cube, and we stack blocks all the time. So yes, you can stack a cube. And last, the cylinder, the sphere. Can you stack things on a sphere? No, we can't put things on top of balls. It will roll off and fall over. So no, you cannot stack on top of a sphere. Our paper should look like mine. I'm going to label it. On one side, I'm going to say stack. The other side says no stack. And in the end, it should look like this. Now, the bottom part, you do not have to do like me. You can find a different way to sort them. But I did it by shapes that you could stack or shapes that you could not stack. And that's it. It should really just be a review. And you should remember the names of the shapes. We'll do them again before we go. Cone, cube, cylinder, sphere. And your sort should look like mine. If you need to pause it and freeze mine to see, you can do that. We will do more with shapes tomorrow. I hope you have a good day. Bye.